Bolton-on-Thames, they have a really beautiful DBS Superleggera in dark green. I'm going to show you around the interior. I'm going to show you the engine bay. Really cool. The bonnet is full carbon, underneath beautiful, and these louvers, amazing. But let me show you the inside. I love the Aston Martin the handles and how the doors go up slightly, a bit like a wing of a bird. Like you can see, it's not straight; it goes slightly up, which is cool. Just love the interior. Here we go, DBS on the seats over there. To be honest, I would take this color and dark brown interior would be perfect. But look how cool the interior looks. Look at this. It's not necessary to have this, but it's Aston Martin, so they like to be detailed. Look at the stitching here. It's just crazy detail everywhere. It's just amazing. Look at the door, how much design it has in it. It's just crazy everywhere. Stuff going on. Nice leather, Alcantara and everything. Look at the handle. Look at the door handle. So cool. The controls for the mirror. The lights. Oh, should I sit inside? Let's see if I can. Oh my god. Yeah, there we go. I mean, it's not on so you can't see anything, but yeah, it's cool. Smells really nice as well. Obviously it's a fresh car, so yeah. Oh, look, I don't know. There we go. I wasn't sure if the camera would pick it up, but look at the roof. Look at the detail. It's crazy. Love this. I think this is kind of Mercedes style, so that's good. Can't go wrong with that. Oh, this is cool. Look. Does it work? Yeah. Isn't that a crazy little cool detail? Oh, it opens up even further. Now, how does it go back? Yeah, like that. Huh? Funnily enough, my t-shirt is dark green as well, so it matches the exterior of this car. But yeah. Controls. Let me show you the full thing here. There we go. First half, second half, 2 USB slots there, an SD card. It's properly kitted out. Now close back again. It's funny. It's quite interesting. Look at the roof. How cool it is. Isn't that cool? The detail is amazing. But anyway, let me close the door very carefully. Let me turn the polarizer. It doesn't help much, but you remember I showed you the design on the roof. It's got the same thing here on the, I wouldn't say it's a parcel shelf, but yeah, you know what I mean, this bit. I love this carbon little ducktail wing thing, whatever. I've recorded the car earlier when they started up, a cold start revs when they moved it over here. Oh man, you'll hear it soon, don't worry. Look, the whole bit here is carbon, the back diffuser. Look at the diffuser, it's got so many things going on there. It's amazing. Yeah. Now, let me show you the engine bay. Lift this carbon. It's very light, wow. Look at this carbon weave. Look how cool it is. Look at the louvers for the air. So shouldn't be too much pressure in the wheel arch, so all the air flies out of here. It's just aerodynamic beauty. What I love about Aston Martin, they do both together, beauty and performance at once. It's very hard to do both together, but they manage to do it. I don't know if you can see the carbon weave with a quilted padding. It's just amazing. This, yeah, it's unnecessary, but it's Aston Martin, so they make sure it looks nice, even though who looks at it other than a mechanic? But yeah, I guess with a nice carbon hood, I think it works well. There's the engine that makes the sound that you'll hear soon. 5.2 V12 twin turbo. I love the I love this, look, the hole for the headlights. I love this detail. But yeah, here you go. The Aston Martin DBS Superleggera, really nice color as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of the DBS Superleggera, I guess. And yeah, in a few seconds after this, I hope you enjoyed seeing the car around. After this, you'll hear the startup and some revs. Trust me, this car sounds very badass. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I'll leave you with the startup and revs, and please like, subscribe, share, and all the rest. And I'll see you again soon.